Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can find a job in LinkedIn. Finding a job in LinkedIn is very easy. You just need to make sure of some things. You should have completed your profile, regularly growing your network, and connect with the strangers in the same field that you work in. All of these helps you very much in finding a job. So let me show you how you can search for one. Once you are logged into your account, you can see there is a search bar right beside the in LinkedIn logo. I'm just going to search for the job that I'm looking for. In my case, that is video editing. For now, just click on this. And here you can see there are some filters. So I'll be applying on the job filter. And here you can see there are the 5,541 results. They are way too many. So let's narrow it down. I'm going to search for the video editing, and now I'm going to search here remote. So I can work from my home. And now you can see there are just only 1286 results. You can apply more filters according to your need. You can choose your experience level. So there you go. Now you know how to find the jobs in LinkedIn. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. And also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.